Hey everyone! Setting up a vehicle account and your chart of accounts is the foundational step for tracking business assets. By properly classifying the vehicle here, you ensure it appears on your balance sheet as a fixed asset rather than getting lost in your regular expenses. Step 1. Open the chart of accounts. We are starting with the Accounting Hub. In the 2026 layout, the chart of accounts is the brain of your bookkeeping, where every financial category is defined. Click the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner. Under the Your Company column, select Chart of Accounts. Click the green New button in the top right corner. Step 2. Configure the fixed asset type. Now we move to account classification. We do this because a vehicle is a long-term investment that doesn't lose all its value in a single year. From the drop-down, select Fixed Assets. Select Vehicles. If you have a fleet, you might choose Vehicles and Equipment. Type a specific name, like 2026 Delivery Van or Owner's Tesla. This helps differentiate it if you buy more vehicles later. Step 3. Set up depreciation tracking, optional but recommended. We are focusing on value accuracy. In 2026, QuickBooks makes it easier to track how your vehicle's value drops over time for tax purposes. Look for the checkbox that says Track Depreciation for this asset. If checked, QuickBooks will automatically create two sub-accounts for you. Original Cost is where you record the purchase price, and Accumulated Depreciation is where you track the value lost over time. Step 4. Save and verify. We are finishing with ledger integration. This finalizes the account so it's ready to receive transaction data. Leave the opening balance as $0. You will record the actual purchase price later through an expense or journal entry. Click Save and Close. Scroll through your chart of accounts. You should now see your vehicle listed under the Fixed Assets section with a $0.00 balance, ready for use. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.